Hello and welcome to another video. Today we have this clone and we're trying to fix this one. The problem is when you try to connect with the computer through USB. I managed to install the drivers, but when I try to work with him I do have the issue with the drivers. I mean, it's like show me the driver is not correctly installed, and I try many drivers. And I heard also this noise from the USB when you plug and unplug the cable. It is like it disconnect automatically. Before to open it, I believe the problem is with a chip. It can be FTDI chip. If this is the problem, we will replace it. If not, we will check also this connection. I already changed the cable. This is a new one, but I still have same issue with this one. It can be the chip himself, FTDI chip, or it can be problem with USB plug from here, USB connection, USB port. Let's open it and see what we have inside. I make these repairing videos with these clones because I see the new request more of this and you appreciate this kind of video. I'm sure a lot of people still using this diagnostic because it's very cheap. Anyway, I don't recommend it because you know my opinion about these clones. You cannot do a proper work this time. But it's up to you. Everyone is free to choose which diagnostic want, which budget have, and all of these things. Okay, this doesn't come like that. Just pull it out. I already noticed this one. And also here. You see? Here, here, and here. Okay, let's give a proper clean and then we will connect to the laptop. I should connect first to the laptop to show you where the problem is. But if you believe me or if you don't believe me, it's your problem. I try to show you how you can repair this one, and as you can see, it was really something inside. It can be from here or it can be from this one. Is the USB port. Okay, it can be from there or from here. Okay, I see then something tried to reflow here some. Okay. I would also resolder this one. And also this one from here. Let's dismantle also this board. board is not bad. It doesn't have the Bluetooth. If you have it the Bluetooth, believe me, I will try to connect to the Bluetooth, because many times happens when the cable or this port have problem, and if the port have problem, you can connect through the Bluetooth. If the FTDI chip is with problem, you cannot connect with the computer. Okay, this chip is it's a fake. It's not the FTDI. It's unbrand chip. Maybe it can be from here, this problem. Yeah, it doesn't have a name, nothing. Okay. And here we don't have damage or corrosion or something like that on this side of the chip. This was the reason why I opened it. Okay. I will resolder this one, and maybe I will change this, and then this port. Look what I found. And it can be this one the problem. I don't know if you are able to see, but this thing moves from here. Can you see it? And maybe this was the reason why I have success to install the drivers once, and then it works and it stops to work. And yeah, I'm sure this one is not good connection. Look, I'm glad, because I was playing with this one to show you, because I was almost ready to replace this chip, and at this time I cannot find original chips anymore, because it is problem everywhere with these chips. And I do have a chip, but it's also buy it from internet. Is Chinese quality, is not original one. Then if I will replace this one unbranded with another one who is put it only the name here FTDI, but have nothing to do with the company who produced this one, it will be also a fake chip. And I will keep this one. I will resolder this, and I will connect to the laptop. Okay, then let's resolder all this, and I'm almost 99.9%, and this is the problem, because you see it moves from here, also from another side, you can see, and this is the ground, and he didn't make it all the time, this connection, and this was my problem, or at least I believe this after seeing these things here. Okay, let's warm a little bit the station. This solder looks very good, but this one is very funny. We will remake this, resolder this one also from here, and we will assemble this back, and we will move in the car. I will show you if I can connect with the car or not, okay? And now we are in the car. We will do this, and believe me or not, I didn't try it. Okay. I didn't see the light over there, but let's see. I hear the beeping, and only one. And we do have the red light. Let's take it from there to show you better. And it is here. Okay, this was the same error like one or two videos before when he tried to connect to the internet. Actually, we don't close it, we minimize. Let's see if he is here. It's also here. Only problem now is the firmware. Shows nothing. If it doesn't work, it's the time to show you how you can program it, but it works on the bench. Okay, now let's make a test. As you can see, test is now okay. Let's try to communicate with Opel Insignia. One click and bam. Bad clones, very bad clones. They have problem with Opel. There are two faults here. And this diagnostic, it doesn't know which faults they are. This is something normal for Delphi Clone. If you have the original one, you didn't have these things over here. I mind this one. It will tell you automatically which error do you have. Okay, that's it with this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.